if we go into the accommodations when you stayed while at Bournemouth University, where did you stay in your first year?
So in my first year, I stayed in Cranbourn.
And could you tell us what it was like living in Cranbourne?
Cranbourne was fun. I'm not gonna lie. That was like, to me anyway, that was the party hall. I know there was who was it? There was like Lime Regis and stuff like that everyone loved up, but like Cranbourne was like the place to be. I lived with like it was like 7 other people, and like we just had fun. It was amazing. Like that was like my favorite place.
And your second year?
Second year, I lived in a house of 3 other girls in Winton.
What was that like going from Cranbourne to a house?
Cranbourne to a house wasn't bad. Like, kind of missed my flat. So like, because I didn't stay with the same people. I didn't move in with the same people that I was before, and like it was a bit smaller. It was very quiet. That's what I can really say. Like, it was like so quiet. Like everyone always did their own thing. Everyone was in their rooms and things like that, and would have time together and things like that. But like, it wasn't as loud and like active as like first year.
And your third year?
Third year. Jeez, where was I in third year? Third year, I was living in a house again. Forgot where I was though. Which way? Oh yeah, I remember now. Yeah, so I lived in a house again, same amount of people, but I had different people this time around. That was quiet as well. Like, you know, kind of just see each other in passing in the kitchen and be like, hey, stuff like that. I think in my third year, to be honest, I went home more often. So I was kind of more home. I think when I know it sounds weird, but I think when I hit third year, I kind of got homesickness a bit in the sense. So like, because I drive, so like sometimes my housemates wouldn't even see me for like the whole weekend, and I'll come back on Monday, go to work, and then go to uni and then come back.